Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your LinkedIn profile link using the LinkedIn app in 2024. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to open the LinkedIn app from your phone and make sure that you have logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile picture, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to search for an option saying settings and click it to open it. Once you have entered the settings page, search for an option saying visibility and click on it. On your setting page, scroll down and tap the option that says edit public profile and URL. This will open the LinkedIn URL setting in your browser. Here you will see your current LinkedIn profile URL. Tap the pencil icon which is next to it to make the changes. After that, you have to type your desired custom URL in this field and don't forget to make it unique and easy to remember. For example, you can use your full name or a professional variation. And once you have entered your new URL, tap on the save option. And just like that, your LinkedIn profile link is updated. And that's it. Updating your LinkedIn profile link is super simple and it's a great way to make your profile look more professional. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.